Hey guys, hey, we are in the newest mall. Is it the newest? It's the newest, right? Mall in Bangkok, One Bangkok. I don't know why they need another mall, you guys, but it is here and we are checking it out. We haven't been here. We've never been here before because it opened when we weren't here or something. But we are meeting Christine. Yeah, so we're just walking around, checking it out, seeing what this one has to offer. But I think there's like 3 different sections to it, so we need to kind of figure out where we're going. We're just literally walking like crazy people right now, but let's see. It's like a free art studio in here, you guys. Harn Arts Gallery, solo exhibition and pop-up. So it says someone like you. I was looking for like the artist name. I think it has some stuff here. Acrylic on canvas, and then you can contact the gallery and stuff. Yeah, it's cute. I like this. Alright, we made it outside, you guys. I don't know where we are, but this is nice, like a little garden section. And then, is this like a wait, let me look. The wireless house, One Bangkok. Landscape design surrounding the house, One Bangkok. Replica of the country's first radio telegraph station. Okay, so it's like a little museum type thing. This is nice. I like this. I wonder if we can go in there. It's kind of hot out here. We're gonna go inside, you guys, but we are at the stories. So like I was saying, they have like 3 different buildings that, you know, give different things. So this is the stories. And of course we have a Starbucks Reserve here. So pretty. It's 2 stories, 2 or 3 stories. I'm not gonna go in there. Probably should to just look, but we're just gonna keep walking around. You guys, I'm just loving all the artwork and stuff over here in the stories. This is really nice. This is given a lot. Alright, so this is Tower 3 Parade. Still not too sure what's going on, you guys, but it is beautiful. Everything is still so new and pretty, you guys. You can smell the new. It is so nice. It opened in October. I didn't even realize it was like legit a couple months ago in October. Definitely take the trek. it's 2 trains because you have to come on the blue line, but it's not bad. It's, you know, it's straightforward. And we're stopping for a quick snack. Well, Christine is getting tea. I don't know what's going on over there, but people are waiting again in line. I need to start joining some of these lines and just be surprised at what I find at this point, because I don't know what they're doing, you guys. Alright, you guys, so we found ourselves at Sushiro again, and she's looking for a restroom. She's like, yeah, I'm down to eat here, so we're here again. This is like our 4th, 5th time. But it's good sushi, man. It's good sushi. Can't beat it. So we're gonna have some sushi and then keep looking around. It is really pretty here. What do you think about this place, Jarrell? He's like, stop putting me on your videos. You like One Bangkok? It's very different than any of the other malls, I can say that. So this was a good build, because all the malls kind of look the same, you know, all the fancy stores, whatever, but this one is really, really well thought out. I'm getting European vibes some places, a little bit of Caribbean some places, and then the entire art, like everywhere you go there's some kind of art, something going on. So, and there's some super cute restaurants and cafes, like they look really nice. I need like a cafe buddy. One of you guys come go with me, because Joel's not gonna want to go and chill at some fancy cafe and take pictures. So one of y'all come go with me. Look at this KFC, you guys. This is uber fancy KFC. Oh my goodness. I don't remember seeing them. You guys, look at these KFC clothes for their, what, 40th anniversary? This is funny. This is hilarious. Oh my god. Alright, so we're passing here and we're stopping, got a couple of these tiny cupcake thingies. I think there's one's chocolate and then this one is banana cake. And I think he said it's just the topping that's different. So we're trying a couple of those. And then we saw another bread place, another bakery we're gonna get bread from that looks a little, well, not better, but they had like sourdough and some other kinds. So we're gonna try those. You guys, so I got my strawberry matcha again, but this looks so good. Their coconut cereals, iced coffee, coconut latte, that one, it looks so yums. And they have, of course, a ton of different things you can order. Yummy.